into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know.
Hi friends, you are watching Re-Energized by Vinny. This is my first video on the channel. I hope you will like this video and find it useful. Before starting with the video, I kindly request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started with pearl and chain necklace in 5 easy steps. Links for the material used are mentioned in the description below. Have a look at the pearls closely. Let's get started. Step 1. You have to make a loop like so for all the 7 wires of 1 inch each. I have made loops at one end for all the 7 wires. Step 2. Take one of the 7 inches golden chain. Attach the chain to one of the wired loop with the help of a plier. Step 3. Insert an extra small size pearl and make a half loop at the second end. Attach the half loop to the next wired loop and secure it nicely. Step 4. Keep adding pearls to the chain in ascending and descending order. Step 5. Attach the S-hook and jump rings to the ends of the chains. Your pearl and chain necklace is ready in just 5 easy steps. I hope you liked the video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Also comment down below and help me know which DIY decor you would like to see in my next video. Thank you for watching. Keep encouraging me to do more fun videos.